Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to transform your health with the power of nutrition? Let's dive in. Imagine you're a car. Yep, a sleek, high-performance machine. What happens if you fuel up with the wrong stuff? Your performance tanks. It's the same with our bodies. Fueling up with the right nutrients can turbocharge your health, energy, and even your mood. Recent studies in critical care settings have shown that structured nutritional therapy can make a world of difference. Researchers implemented a quality control program across 13 hospitals and saw significant improvements. Timely feeding and hitting protein targets? Check. But it didn't stop there. Continuous quality improvement is key. They found that by tweaking certain strategies like the pump-to-bed ratio, they could optimize care even more. So, what can we learn from this? It's all about being intentional with what we eat. Think of your plate as your personal health toolkit, loaded up with a variety of colors, fresh veggies, lean proteins, whole grains. Each nutrient plays a unique role in keeping your body running smoothly. For instance, proteins are the building blocks of life, helping to repair tissues and build muscle. Carbs are your body's main energy source, but not all carbs are created equal. Opt for complex carbs like oats and quinoa for a steady energy release. And don't forget healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are great for brain health and hormone production. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your diet. Swap out processed snacks for fresh fruit and hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is essential for every single cell in your body. So are you ready to take charge of your health? Your journey starts with the next bite. Fuel up wisely and watch your body thrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the alert bell for more health and wellness tips from Peak Mind Provisions 369. Until next time, stay healthy and be happy.